Okay, so let me show you what I'm doing here. To get the net on, there is a pocket over here, and that has to slide over this pole. So you just take one screw out, like I did here. You lift one arm off, and then you slide this pocket right here over this area, over the pole, and you just slide it on top all the way over, like I did that one and that one. Now this is important. Make sure, here's the entry to get in, ladder. So put this side next to the entry, because this area needs to be opened up. See, here's the zipper. So that has to be over here for the opening to get through the net. Here's where the net opens and closes for people to get in and out. So you just put those over. And when the top is done, you have to do the bottom. So the springs need to be removed from here. The spring has to come off. And then this loops over. This is the old net that has to be taken out. It's no good anymore. So when this spring comes off, take the loop from the new net and slide it over the spring, and then put the spring back on to the trampoline. Okay, now to do the bottom, you have to connect the slot inside the net over the loop of the spring, right here. So this has to go over the loop. So to do that, you have to pull the spring out. Now this trampoline comes with a spring installation tool and a spring removal tool. To remove the spring, just put it over the spring edge, pull, and then it comes out. And you just take the spring off. And you stick the spring. And you put the spring inside the loop. Put it over like that. Make sure that the loop of the spring is over the trampoline bed itself. So it has to be over both the net and the trampoline itself. Like that. Over the net and the trampoline floor itself. Both have to be over that loop. And then you just reattach the loop to the pole. So put the loop of the tool inside the spring. Just pull and insert it into the hole. And now the net is installed. So you have to do it with all of them, all the way around. And when you're done, also make sure that the screws on top are all tight. You have screws over here too. Always check these screws because they come loose over time. So check them, make sure they're tight, make sure they're all installed. All parts of the poles where they connect and the foundations. So that's how you install the net. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.